Welcome to our presentation on learning Selenium for UI automation with database integration. In this session, we will explore how to effectively use Selenium for automating user interfaces and integrating it with databases for comprehensive test management. Selenium is an open-source framework designed for automating web applications for testing purposes. It offers cross-browser support, supports multiple programming languages like Python, Java, and C#, and has extensive community support, making it a popular choice for UI automation. To set up Selenium, start by installing Selenium using pip for Python. Next, choose a web driver such as Chrome driver or Gecko driver for Firefox. Finally, set up the environment by installing the required browsers and drivers and configuring the project structure. Automate UI tests by writing test scripts to validate application functionality and collect test results such as pass/fail, errors, and timestamps. For database integration, set up a relational database like MySQL or PostgreSQL, connect Selenium with the database using connectors, and store test results in a structured format. Fetch test results from the database using GraphQL APIs for flexible data querying. Set up a dashboard using tools like React or Tableau to visualize the results. This allows you to display charts, graphs, and metrics for comprehensive test result analysis. Here is an example of a Selenium UI test in Python. The script navigates to a website, locates an element, interacts with it, and validates the result. This basic example demonstrates how to automate a simple UI test using Selenium. To store test results in a database, use a database connector like MySQL.connector. Connect to the database, insert the test results, and commit the changes. This ensures that your test results are stored securely and can be queried later. Use a GraphQL query to fetch test results from the database. This query retrieves the test name, status, and timestamp, allowing you to easily access and display the test results in your dashboard. Create a React component to display the test results. Use the useQuery hook from Apollo client to fetch the data and render it in a table format. This component will dynamically display the test results, making it easy to monitor and analyze them. The Page Object Model (POM) structure helps organize your test code. Here is an example structure with separate directories for pages, tests, and steps. This structure improves code maintainability and readability. Here is a sample POM class for a login page. The class defines elements like username and password inputs and login button, and includes methods for interacting with these elements. This encapsulates the page interactions, making your test scripts cleaner and more modular. A cucumber/gherkin feature file describes the login functionality scenario. It outlines the steps for opening the login page, entering valid credentials, and verifying successful login. This behavior-driven development approach makes test scenarios easy to understand. Step definitions in Python map the steps in the gherkin feature file to actual code. This example shows how to open the login page, enter credentials, and verify the dashboard. These definitions bridge the gap between feature files and test execution.